Hi, in today's video, we'll learn how to prepare corn husks for tamales. Hola, I'm Silvia Martinez from MamaLatinaTips.com. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's prepare these corn husks, shall we? The first thing we're going to do is take the husk out of the bag, and you're going to touch them to see how flexible or how stiff they are. This will tell you how long you need to soak them. As you're taking them out of the package or bag, you're going to separate them and check if there is any corn silk or if some are already too damaged or stained and have mold on them. Remember that these are harvested and put in bags. So if they have been in bags for a long time with humidity, they can also be affected. Separating them help us with that, and obviously also help us to count them, so you only soak the ones you're going to need. You don't want to waste and soak way more husks if you're not going to use them. Now, you're going to place them in a large container. It can be the biggest bowl you have in your kitchen, or if you're making lots of tamales, use your tamalera or the steamer where you're going to cook them. You're going to place them all the way to the bottom and cover them with the hottest water you can. The husks tend to float, so once you see they're covered with water, put something heavy on top. It can be a pot, though if the pot floats, put more water inside to create some weight. Or you can even use a molcajete. Those are really heavy. And you're going to soak them for at least 30 minutes. If the husks are very stiff, you might need up to an hour. If the husk is very flexible and fresh, you might only need 20 minutes. You're going to check them regularly to see if they're ready. And you will know when they're completely flexible and you can fold them without breaking. Once this happens, you're going to take them out of the water, squeeze them, and place them in a colander so they continue draining. And we're going to dry them. If you are not in a hurry, you can leave them draining there for a long time, and that will help. So when you dry them, you won't need to spend as much time. But if you're going to start the tamales right away, bring a few absorbent kitchen towels and start drying. You can do this way in your hand, or you can do it on the table using the kitchen towels this way. The drier they are, the better, because the masa will spread without any problem. And while you're drying them, you can separate them by size. Some packages have very uniform, large, and beautiful corn husks, but many other packages aren't like that. So when you're drying them, start putting them by size. Large, medium, small. The small ones you can use to create strips to tie your tamales. If that's what you're doing, you don't always need to tie your tamales if you don't want to. The large ones, obviously, are the ones that we're gonna use, the main that we use for the tamales. And the medium ones will help you if, for example, a large one breaks. This will work to patch it. Or you can put two medium ones together to create a larger husk. But organizing them by size will help you have a clear idea of how to use them. And that's it. That's how easy it is to prepare corn husks for tamales. If you want to learn how to prepare banana leaves for tamales, which is another way to wrap tamales, here is the video for you. Now tell me in the comments, what's your favorite tamal? And thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!